Hi and welcome guys. In this video I'll show you how to make origami sunglasses. I hope you will like the model. So if you do, so make sure to give a like and subscribe, and if you're watching from Instagram, also make sure to follow my page because I upload content almost daily. So to make an origami sunglasses, first step is that you will take this point and align it till there. Like this. For this model I'm using a black sheet for the sunglasses. After you complete this step, the next step is to take this point and align it till point there. Grease. Open it up. After you have completed this step, the next step is to take this fold, open it up, and do the fold crease on this line and fold this flap upwards like this. After you have completed this step, the next step is to take this line, align up till here, like this, a crease. And after you complete this step, now take this line, align it till here, like this, a crease. And now take this line, do one more fold till on this line, like this and like this. After you complete this step, the next step is to make the sides. So you need to crease from this side till this line joins and this line intersect. So this is the point, so you need to crease it till here, from here, like this, fold, and then make a crease, like this, same from this side. And then after you have completed this step, the next step is to make the lenses. And to make the lenses, actually they are already formed, so just need to shape it. You take this small side with the reverse fold like this, and also from here with a pinch here, and your model is complete. Here is the sunglasses. So guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.